I'm going to show you exactly how to find your TikTok watch history. Grab your phone and find the TikTok app on your home screen. Give it a tap to open it up. Once TikTok opens, you'll land on the For You page. Look at the very bottom right corner of your screen and tap on profile. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Now that you're on your profile page, look at the top right corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Give that a tap. This will open up the activity center. You'll see a list of options here. The very first one at the top says watch history. Tap on that and there you go. You can now see every video you've watched. They're arranged by date with the most recent ones at the top. You can also use the filter by date option to browse through older videos. Here's a bonus tip for you if you want to delete videos from your watch history. Tap select in the top right corner. You can then tap individual videos to select them or use select all watch history at the bottom to choose everything. Then just tap the delete button and they're gone. And that's it. Super easy, right? Now you'll never lose a TikTok video again. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.